A Somali-born New Zealander is going to the Human Rights Commission after being detained at Auckland International Airport on suspicion of carrying drugs. Sabir Diab was delayed while customs officials questioned him and searched his luggage. His case isn't isolated, but customs says Somalis are not being targeted unfairly. Michael Morrow reports.
Sabir Diab was at home unpacking this afternoon, still angry at having his luggage gone through by customs officials. Officials told him he was suspected of carrying an African plant called kot that creates methamphetamine-like effects and is classified as a Class C illegal drug.
The officer that spoke with me said that they had a history of Somalis coming into the country and bringing illegal drugs with them, the kot, bringing with them. So, to me, that's generalising the whole community.
Customs says Diab was correctly profiled as a person of interest. Diab admits his brother had a run-in with customs as well, but says that was years ago. A day before Diab was checked, Abdul Kadir Hassan, another Somali national, was also detained and searched. He says he was delayed for 3 hours.
White man, they were all going to the right way. Why they harassed me and used me? I'm hold the New Zealand passport. Why they did this? I don't know, because of my black skin, I think.
A Somali community leader says she's aware of at least 10 other recent cases where Somali people have been subjected to random searches.
Some people, they feel that is discrimination, and because they are New Zealanders and we are Somali kiwis.
A customs spokesperson says they regularly meet with the New Zealand Refugee Council to try and improve the level of understanding about what they do. Customs says the current laws apply to everyone equally and they don't profile on the basis of race. Michael Morrow, 3 News.